Welcome to the Excel video on using a basic formula to sum a row or column of numbers. In other words, to get a total. Now, this column, column D, has the check amount. And I would like a total of the amount of checks that have been written. So for right now, I'm just going to place the word total over here. I'm going to go to column D, and I'm going to build a summation formula. Every time you enter a formula in Excel, you start with the equal sign. And then you tell Excel what it is you would like to do, and we're going to sum. And after you've given the command, you type a left parenthesis, and inside the parentheses, you're going to tell Excel what numbers you would like it to sum together. So we want to sum the check amount, which are the cells that I just highlighted with my mouse. Now that the cells have been highlighted, I'm going to type in a right parenthesis, and that completes the formula. So we're telling Excel I want a sum of cell D4 to cell D14. And I'm going to press enter. And voila, it just gave us a sum of this column. So summations are typically done on columns. Sometimes they are also done on rows. Some people put a total column off to the right and sum everything in front of it. For this particular application though, which is a checkbook register and doing a budget worksheet, I'm going to actually sum what's to the right of the check amount. You'll see why in a minute. I'm going to say equal sign, sum, left parenthesis. Then using my mouse, I'm going to click on the cells and highlight the range that I want to sum. When the range is done, I take my hand off the mouse, I enter a right parenthesis and hit the enter key. And now when we look at cell D4, it no longer has the dollar amount 1800 typed into it. It has been calculated by Excel by summing these cells over here. And now, just to show you, if I were to do that here, sum everything off to the right and press right parenthesis, enter. Now I'm going to enter a new check. Check 1003, which was written out to AT&T to pay the phone bill. So let's say the phone bill was $55. I'm going to come over here to the column of what it was I paid. I paid a utility bill for $55, and I'm going to press enter. It automatically pulls it over here so that I know this check is now registered here, and this check is now added to the total of the entire amount of checks recorded in April in the register. And that is a simple sum formula of these cells off to the right and a sum formula of these cells up above it. Basic formulas.